Hi, today I'm with me HUAWEI NOVA 11i and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the app gallery to get the Ampere applications and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. So now Ampere. So now we should get this application. So tap to install, click continue and wait a couple of seconds. So click to allow to install. Ampere successfully installed. So just tap to open the app, tap to yes agree, we close, tap to OK, and now we could see here information about our battery health, and we could see that our device health is in a good condition. So also we got here more information like the level, capacity, voltage, model of our device, and more other info. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.